Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math Classes, and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have again taken class 12 chapter 7 integrals exercise 7.3, and exercise 7.1 and 2 we have already completed, and in this exercise we have also completed up to question number 10 in part 1 of this video. So in this video we are going to start from question number 11. So to watch more video, first of all, please subscribe my channels. Okay, so let us start from question number 11. So let us see question number 11. It is integral of cos to the power 4 2x. Here power is given 4. If power is not given, then we can easily integrate. We know the formula of integral of cos x. What is formula for that? Integral of cos x is sin x. But here it is given power 4. So first of all, we have to remove this power. So let us see first how to remove this power 4. Okay. So first we can write our integral. Write this cos square 2x whole square, then write dx. And we know that, you know that this one cos 2x, what is formula for cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So what will be cos square x? Yes, right here. So cos square x will be 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Here we have to use this identity. So in place of x, here it is given 2x. So it will be integral of 1 plus cos 4x. Here it is given 2x, so it will be 4x. And then write square dx. Right here divided by 2 also. Then it is square of a plus b whole square. Yes, a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So right here 1 plus, it will be cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x, which is divided by 4. Right here dx. Here power is not given, but here it is given again cos square 4x. It is again cos square x form. So again we have to use this identity. Okay. So it will be, write 1 by 4 outside. Then write 1 plus, in place of cos square 4x, we have to write 1 plus cos. Here in place of x, it is given 4x. So 2x will be 8x divided by 2. Plus write this 2 cos 4x dx. Now we can write our integral. Write this, write 1 by 4 as it is. Then write integral. Here 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. So write here 3 by 2 plus cos 8x divided by 2 plus 2 cos 4x and dx. Now these are in standard form, so we can easily integrate. Okay, so integrate. So it will be 1 by 4. When we integrate 3 by 2, then we get 3 by 2 x, because integral of 1 dx will be x. So write here 3 by 2x plus, here integral of cos x. Yes, integral of cos x is sin x, and in place of x, it is given 8x. So if we put 8x is equal to t, then 8 dx will be dt. So dx will be dt by 8. So 8 will be in denominator. So it will be sine 8x, and 2 is already here. So 8 multiplied by 2 will be 60. Plus, right, when we integrate cos 4x, we get sine 4x divided by 4. Why? Because 4x is equal to t, then dx will be dt by 4. So 4 will be in denominator. So we have to write here 4 and write a constant c. Now multiply this 1 by 4. We get 3 by 8x plus 16 4 ja 64. So it will be in denominator 64 and write sine 8ax as it is. Divide this by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Then 4 2 ja 8. 8 will be in denominator and here it will be sine 4x. And write a constant c as it is. So finally we can write 3 by 8x plus, write this one sine 4x first. So it will be sine 4x divided by 8 plus this one is 1 by 64 sine 8x plus write a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see question number 12. It is integral of sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Here we can solve this question by two methods. So let us see first one, then second one. So in first one, we have to multiply by conjugate of 1 plus cos x. So conjugate of 1 plus cos x will be 1 minus cos x. So let us see. First write here sine square x divided by, right, 1 plus cos x and multiply here by conjugate of 1 plus cos x. So it will be 1 minus cos x. Then we have to divide also by 1 minus cos x. Yes. So write 1 minus cos x. Write here dx. So it will be integral of sine square x into, right, 1 minus cos x, right, as it is. Then divided by, here 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. It is same as a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So here a is 1, b is cos x. So it will be 1 minus cos square x. And write this dx. And we know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 minus cos square x will be sine square x. So write this. This one is sine square x into 1 minus cos x as it is, and 1 minus cos square x will be sine square x. Here sine square x divided by sine square x will be 1. So we have to integrate 1 minus cos x dx. So this one is in standard form, so we can easily integrate. Integral of 1 will be x. So it will be x minus integral of cos x is sin x. So x minus sin x plus write a constant c. So this is your answer by first method. So let us see second method. So by second method, right here sine square x as it is. Here it is given 1 plus cos x. 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2, बिकॉज कॉस 2x इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and in place of 2x here it is given x, so we can write 2 cos square x by 2. Right here formula, here cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. And we know that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. So here it is given sin x. So in place of sin x we can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and whole square as it is. Then write this one, 2 cos square x by 2, right here dx. And write which trigonometric identity we have used here. So right here, we have used sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. In place of 2x, here it is given x. So here we have to write x by 2 into x by 2. So now we can write square of this will be, square of 2 will be 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2, and write dx. This cos square x by 2 and cos square x by 2 will cut. Okay, then divide 4 by 2, so it will be 2. So it will be 2 sin square x by 2 dx. Again, in place of 2 sin square x by 2, we can write what? Here it is, write first formula right here. We know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here we have sin square x by 2. So it will be 1 minus cos x. Okay, because if here cos 2x is given, then cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square x will be 1 minus cos 2x. But here it is given x by 2. So it will be 1 minus cos x, not 2x. Okay, then integrate. Again, this one is in standard form. So integral of 1 will be x. Yes, x. And integral of cos x will be sin x. So write here sin x and write a constant c. So this is your answer by second method. So let us see our next question, question number 13. It is integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So first of all, we have to simplify this integral by trigonometric identities. So which one? Here you can see that this one is cos c minus cos d form. What is formula for that? Yes, it is right here, right first formula. So cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. Right. So here use this identity, we get right here integral. In place of c it is given 2x and in place of d it is given 2 alpha. So it will be minus 2 sin c plus d. This means 2x plus 2 alpha divided by 2. So it will be x plus alpha. So write here x plus alpha into sin c minus d divided by 2. So c is here 2x. So 2x minus 2 alpha divided by 2 will be x minus alpha. Write dx as it is. Then again use this identity because here it is also in form of cos c minus cos d. So we can write minus 2 sine, here it is x is in place of c it is given x and in place of d it is given alpha. So c plus d by 2 will be x plus alpha divided by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. So it will be x minus alpha divided by 2. So first divide this minus 2 by minus 2, it will cut. Here you can see that here it is given sine x plus alpha and here it is given sine x plus alpha divided by 2. And we know that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos a. So we use this identity here. Which identity? Right here. Sine 2x. Sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x into cos x. Let us use this. So we can write our integral right here. 2 sine, what will be x? If this one is 2x, then x will be x plus alpha divided by 2 into cos x plus alpha divided by 2. And denominator it is given sine x plus alpha divided by 2. And see here, it is given sine x minus alpha. And here it is given sine x minus alpha by 2. So we again use this identity. So we can write 2 sine x minus alpha divided by 2 into cos x minus alpha divided by 2. And this is divided by sine x minus alpha by 2. Okay. Here sine x plus alpha divided by 2 divided by sine x plus alpha divided by 2. So it will be cut. Here you can cut sine x minus alpha by 2. Here it is also sine x minus alpha by 2. So you can cut. So finally we can write integral 2 into 2 4 cos x plus alpha into cos x minus alpha right here by 2 dx. Now here we have cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2. So we have to separate this. So which formula? Yes, we know that right here we know that 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here we have to use this identity. So here it is given 4. So right here 2. Because 2 cos A into cos B is equal to this. So I have taken 2 and right here 2. So it will be cos A plus B. Here it is in place of A, it is given x plus alpha divided by 2. And in place of B, it is given x minus alpha divided by 2. So what will be A plus B? So A plus B will be right here x plus alpha plus x minus alpha divided by 2 plus cos a minus b. What will be cos a minus b? It will be x plus alpha minus x plus alpha divided by 2. Right here dx. So it will be 2 integral plus alpha minus alpha will cut. X plus x will be 2x divided by 2 will be x. So it will be cos x plus, here it is x minus x. So x minus x will be 0. Alpha plus alpha will be 2 alpha. 2 alpha is divided by 2 will be alpha. So it will be cos alpha dx. Now we can integrate. Yes. So it will be 2 integral of cos x is sin x. So write here sin x. And here it is cos alpha. Cos alpha is a constant. So integral of a constant, yani that means 1. Integral of 1 will be x. So it will be x cos alpha and write a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see next question, question number 14. It is integral of cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx. So first of all we have to simplify this integral. So यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में क्या दिया है, cos x minus sin x. So cos x minus sin x का कोई फार्मूला तो होता नहीं है. So we have to simplify this denominator. In denominator it is given 1 plus sin 2x and we know that sin square x plus cos square x is 1 and sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So let us use these identity here. So right here cos x minus sin x as it is, and in denominator write in place of 1 write sin square x plus cos square x plus in place of sin 2x we can write 2 sin x into cos x. Now we can write our integral, write cos x minus sin x as it is, and this one is in form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is formula of a plus b whole square. So we can write sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay. Now we know that derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here we have to use integration by substitution method. So first we put here sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Then differentiate. Right here differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get, when we differentiate sin x we get cos x. When we differentiate cos x we get minus sin x. And when we differentiate dx with respect to t, we get dx by dt. So write here dx by dt and it will be 1 when we differentiate t. So we can write cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So in place of cos x minus sin x dx we can write dt only. So our integral become integral right here dt. And this one is t. Here sin x plus cos x is t. So right here t square. Now we can write this integral as, do not write, right here t to the power minus 2 dt. This one is in standard form, so we can integrate. This one is in form of x to the power n. So what will be formula? Integral of x to the power n will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So in place of n it is given minus 2. So it will be t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 and write a constant c. Then we can write it will be t to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus constant c. So we can write minus 1 by t plus constant c and put the value of t. T is here, write this minus as it is, and t is sin x plus cos x. So write here sin x plus cos x and write this constant c as it is. So finally we get our answer minus 1 by sin x plus cos x and plus a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see next question, question number 15. It is integral of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. Here first we have to simplify this integral. So for this we have to write integral, write this tan square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x dx. Here we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x and derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So first we make this tan square x in form of sec square x. So we know that 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So in place of tan square x we can write sec square. Here in place of x it is given 2x. So it will be sec square 2x minus 1. In place of tan square 2x we can write sec square 2x minus 1 and write this as it is. Tan 2x into sec 2x dx. So now we can put here sec 2x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. We get tan 2x into sec 2x, and when we differentiate this 2x we get 2 dx. So it will be dt. Now we can write integral sec square 2x is t, so it will be t square minus 1. And in place of tan 2x sec 2x dx we can write dt by 2. So write here dt by 2. So we can write, take this 2 1 by 2 outside, so it will be 1 by 2 integral of t square minus 1 dt. Now we can easily integrate, yes. So it will be 1 by 2. What is formula for integral of t square? Yes, it will be, in place of n it is given 2, so it will be 2 plus 1 3, t cube by 3 minus integral of 1 will be t and write a constant c. So write here 1 by 2, put the value of t is equal to here sec 2x. So it will be sec cube 2x divided by 3 minus sec 2x and write a constant c. So finally we can write, multiply this 1 by 2, so we get sec cube 2x, 2 3 ja 6 minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus write a constant c. So finally we get our answer 1 by 6 sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2 sec 2x plus a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see next question, question number 16. It is integral of tan to the power 4x. And in this exercise we have already solved integral of sin to the power 4x and integral of cos to the power 4x. वहां पे हमने क्या किया था? यस, साइन स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर किया था एंड cos टू द पावर 4x के लिए क्या किया था? cos स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर किया था. तो सेम हम यहाँ भी करेंगे. 10 to the power 4x के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, 10 square into 10 square. So let us write this. Write 10 square x into 10 square x dx. And we know that 10 square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, because 1 plus 10 square x is sec square x. And we know the integral formula of sec square x. So we have to convert this tan square x in form of sec square x. So first we write, for this tan square x, write sec square x minus 1. And write this tan square x as it is. Now multiply this tan square x in this bracket, we get sec square x into tan square x minus tan square x. Again here it is tan square x. So we have to convert this tan square x into sec square x form. Okay. So write this one is as it is. It is sec square x into tan square x. Write minus. For this tan square x, we can write sec square x minus 1. So write here. Sec square x minus 1. Right? Trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. We have used this identity. So now we can write our integral. This one is integral of sec square x into tan square x. Write them separately. Okay, first one. So this one is first integral minus, write again integral of sec square x minus 1 dx. For this integral, if we put tan x is equal to t, then when we integrate tan x, we get sec square x. Yes. So integration by substitution method use here. So put here tan x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. We get, when we differentiate tan x, we get sec square x dx is equal to dt. So in place of sec square dx, we can write dt. Write dt. And in place of tan square x, tan x is t, so it will be t square minus. This one is sec square x dx, right? Minus and minus will be plus 1 dx. Now we can integrate easily. Yes, this one is simple form. So integral of t square will be t cube by 3. Yes, t cube by 3 minus integral of sec square x is tan x. So write here tan x. And integral of 1 will be x. So it will be plus x. And write a constant c. Now put the value of t. T is equal to tan x. So put here. So it will be 1 by 3 tan cube x minus, write this one as it is, minus tan x, then write plus x, then write constant c. So finally we get our answer 1 by 3 tan cube x minus tan x plus a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see next question, question number 17. It is integral of sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine square x into cos square x. First we have to simplify this integral. For this, here it is given sin cube x plus cos cube x. Here two terms are given and it is divided by sin square x into cos square x. So first we have to divide this first term by this denominator and then divide this second term by this denominator. Okay, so let us do this. Write this. First write sin cube x and it is divided by sin square x into cos square x. Right, plus then write cos cube x and it is also divided by sin square x into cos square x and write here dx. Now here it is given sin square x, here it is sin cube x. When we divide sin cube x by sin square x, we get sin x. So it will be sin x divided by cos square x, first one. Then here it is cos cube x divided by cos square x. So it will be cos x divided by this sin square x as it is. And write this dx. Now we know that sin x by cos x is tan x. So here it is cos square x. Cos square x means cos x into cos x. So let us write this integral, right? First sin x divided by cos x into 1 by cos x. Then here it is also given sin square x. So we can write cos x divided by sin x into 1 by sin x dx. Now we can write sin x by cos x is tan x. So it will be tan x and 1 by cos x will be sec x. Plus cos x by sin x will be, yes, cot x. So write cot x. And 1 by sin x is cosec x. So write here cosec x. And write this dx. Now write them separately. So this will be integral of tan x into sec x plus integral of second one is cot x into cosec x dx. Right here dx. And what is formula for integral of tan x into sec x? Yes, it is sec x. Okay. So write here sec x plus, and what is formula for integral of cot x into cosec x? Yes, it is minus cosec x. So write here minus cosec x and write a constant c. So finally we can write sec x minus into plus will be minus cosec x plus write this constant as it is. So finally we get our answer sec x minus cosec x plus c. This will be your answer. So next question is question number 18. It is integral of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. This one is very simple question. All of you know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. And here it is given plus 2 sin square x. So minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x become 0. Yes. So it will be 1 by cos square x. And 1 by cos square x is sec square x. And we know the formula for integral of sec square x. So let us do this. So right here in place of cos 2x write 1 minus 2 sin square x, and write this as it is, 2 sin square x, and it is divided by cos square x, and write this dx as it is. So it will be here minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x become 0. So it will be 1 by cos square x. And 1 by cos square x is sec square x. And this one is in standard form, so we can integrate. And integral of sec square x is tan x. Yes. So write here tan x. And write a constant c. So this is your answer. This is very simple. Next question is question number 19. It is integral of 1 by sin x into cos cube x. Here in denominator it is given sin x into cos cube x. And numerator is here 1. So denominator in sin and cos form. तो 1 को भी हम किस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे? sin और cos के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. So we know that sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So in place of 1, we can write sin square x plus cos square x. So let us write. And it is divided by sin x into cos cube x dx. Now divide this term by this and this term by this. Okay, here two terms are given and sin is given plus. So divide first term. First term is sin square x. So divide sin square x by this denominator, sin x into cos cube x. Then write sin plus. Then second one is cos square x. So cos square x is also divided by sin x into cos cube x, and write this dx. Now sin square x divided by sin x will be sin x, only sin x, and write this cos cube x, plus here it is given cos square x and here it is given cos cube x. So when we divide cos cube x by cos square x, we get cos x. So here it will be 1, write this sin x as it is, and here it will be cos x dx. Now we can write sin x by cos x. Right here, sin x by cos x. Here it is cos cube x. So we can multiply here 1 by cos square x, plus right here it is given sin x into cos x. So we can write right here sin x divided by cos x. Then we have to multiply it by cos x. So it becomes cos x into cos x cos square x. And write this dx. Okay, sin x cos x को हमने cos x से डिवाइड किया और cos x से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So here sin x by cos x into cos x into cos x cos square x. Now here sin x by cos x is tan x. So write here integral tan x, and 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So write here sec square x, plus it is 1 by sin x by cos x is tan x, and 1 by cos square x will be sec square x. So here write sec square x and write this dx. Here we can take common sec square x. So our integral become tan x plus 1 by tan x into sec square x dx. And we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x. So integration by substitutions method, if we put tan x is equal to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to t, we get sec square x dx is equal to dt. So we can write our integral. Tan x is t, so write here t plus 1 by tan x, so 1 by t. And in place of sec square dx, we can write dt. So write here dt. Now we can easily integrate. Yes, integral of t will be t square by 2. Yes. So it will be t square by 2. And what is formula for integral of 1 by t? Yes, it is log mod t. Yes, so write here plus log mod t and write a constant c. Now put the value of t. T is equal to tan x. So it will be tan square x divided by 2 plus log mod tan x plus write a constant c. So this is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 20. It is integral of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. So let us solve this integral by two methods. So first one is, here it is given cos 2x and we know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So use this identity here. So in place of cos 2x, write cos square x minus sin square x. And write this one as it is. Cos x plus sin x whole square. Write this dx. Here it is in form of a square minus b square. So we can write a minus b into a plus b. So write this. So it will be cos x minus sin x, first one, into cos x plus sin x, which is divided by this one. This one is cos x plus sin x whole square and write this dx. Now here it is cos x plus sin x and here it is also cos x plus sin x whole square. So we can cut this one. So here it will be cos x minus sin x, which is divided by cos x plus sin x and write dx. And we know that derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So if we put cos x plus sin x is equal to t, yes, use integration by substitution method here. So put here, put cos x plus sin x is equal to t. Then differentiate, we get minus sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt. So here this one is cos x minus sin x. So in place of cos x minus sin x dx, we can write dt. So our integral become dt. And here it is 1 by cos x plus sin x, that is t. So write here 1 by t. Then this one is in standard form. What is formula for integral of 1 by t? It will be log mod t. So write here log mod t and write a constant c. Now put the value of t. T is equal to cos x plus sin x. So we can write log mod cos x plus sin x plus write this constant c. So this is your answer by first method. So by second method, here it is given cos x plus sin x whole square. So square it. Write cos 2x as it is. And square this one. So it will be cos square x plus a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square. So it will be cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. Right here dx. Now we can write this cos 2x as it is, and cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So it will be 1. And in place of 2 sin x into cos x, we can write sin 2x, yes, because sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So here it will be sin 2x dx. Now again use integration by substitution method. Here we put 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t. Put this. Then differentiate. We get 2 cos 2x dx is equal to dt. Derivative of sin x will be cos x and derivative of 2x will be 2. So in place of cos 2x dx, we can write dt by 2. So right here, this one is dt by 2. And in place of 1 plus sin 2x, write t. So it will be 1 by t. Now we can write, take 1 by 2 out. So it will be integral of 1 by t dt. So it will be log mod t. So right here 1 by 2 log mod t plus write a constant c. Now we can write 1 by 2 log, put the value of t. T is equal to 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. Write constant c. And we know that 1 plus sin 2x is equal to this one, cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. That means cos x plus sin x whole square. So in place of 1 plus sin 2x, we can write 1 by 2 as it is, log mod, we can write cos x plus sin x whole square plus write this constant t. So finally we can write this 2 will come here. So 2 by 2 become 1. So it become log mod cos x plus sin x plus this constant c. So this is your answer by second method. Both are same. Here first one log mod cos x plus sin x plus c, and by second is also log mod cos x plus sin x plus c. So let us see next question. Question number 21. It is integral of sin inverse cos x. Here it is given cos x and this one is sin inverse. So first we convert this cos x into sin form. Yes, and we know that sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So first write this, sin pi by 2 minus x will be cos x. So in place of cos x, we can write sin pi by 2 minus x. So our integral become inverse right here. This one is sin inverse. In place of cos x, write sin pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and write this dx as it is. Here it is sine inverse sine, so it become only pi by 2 minus x. It become 1, so it will be pi by 2 minus x dx. Now we can integrate. Yes, this one is a constant, pi by 2 is a constant, so it will be pi by 2. Here it is 1, so 1 dx will be x. Yes, here it is x. When we integrate x, we get x square by 2, so it will be x square by 2, and write a constant c. So finally we get our answer, pi by 2x minus x square by 2 plus c. This is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 22. It is integral of 1 divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. यहाँ पे हमें cos x minus a into cos x minus b डिनोमिनेटर में दिया हुआ है. अगर ये हमें न्यूमरेटर में दिया रहता तो हम यहाँ पे cos a इंटू cos b के फार्मूले से इनको सेपरेट करते और इंटीग्रेट करते. अगर हम यहाँ पे cos a इंटू cos b का फार्मूला यूज करेंगे तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर में दो सेपरेट टर्म्स मिलेंगे. देन इट विल बी मोर डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व. देन कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे फिर? यस, हियर यू कैन सी दैट हियर इट इज गिवन cos x minus a. cos का फंक्शन दिया हुआ है and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. But here it is given 1. sin का कोई फंक्शन इंटीग्रल में नहीं दिया हुआ है. तो इस तरह के जब भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में cos है तो cos का डेरिवेटिव क्या हुआ, माइनस साइन. तो साइन का एक कांस्टेंट फंक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. और अगर नीचे साइन का फंक्शन दिया हुआ है तो साइन का डेरिवेटिव क्या हुआ, cos हुआ. तो cos के एक कांस्टेंट फंक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या हुआ, साइन. तो साइन के एक कांस्टेंट फंक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे. सो लेट अस सी दैट. तो सपोज साइन का कांस्टेंट फंक्शन हम क्या ले लेते हैं, साइन a माइनस बी ले सकते हैं या साइन b माइनस ए. तो आई एम टेकिंग साइन a माइनस बी. सो फर्स्ट राइट हियर साइन a माइनस बी. साइन a माइनस बी से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो साइन a माइनस बी से हम इसको डिवाइड भी करेंगे. राइट दिस एंड राइट दिस as it is. This one cos x minus a into cos x minus b, right, dx. Sin a minus b is a constant function, so we can take it out. So write here sin a minus b. Write here integral. Here it is sin a minus b. एंड हियर इट इज cos x माइनस ए. डिनोमिनेटर में हमें x दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पे हमें x नहीं है, तो x हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. न्यूमरेटर में भी हमें x चाहिए. सो वी कैन राइट साइन, राइट दिस a माइनस b, राइट प्लस x, देन राइट माइनस x. साइन a माइनस बी को ही हम क्या लिखेंगे, प्लस x और माइनस x उसमें ऐड कर देंगे. देन वी कैन राइट हियर cos x माइनस a इंटू cos x माइनस b. राइट हियर dx. देन राइट दिस वन एज इट इज साइन a माइनस b इंटीग्रल. Here we can write here sin, take this 2, so it will be sin x minus b. Here it is minus x plus a, so it will be minus x minus a. डिनोमिनेटर में हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, x माइनस a और x माइनस b दिया हुआ है. तो न्यूमरेटर को भी हम x माइनस ए और x माइनस बी के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. सो राइट हियर cos x माइनस ए इंटू cos x माइनस बी. Write dx. Now this one is in sin x minus y form. And what is formula for that? Sin x minus y is equal to sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. First write that. We know that sin x minus y is equal to sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Now use this formula here. So we get right here, first write constant function sin a minus b. Then write integral. Here it is sin x minus b minus x minus a. So in place of x it is given x minus b, and in place of y it is given x minus a. So write here sin x minus b into cos x minus a minus cos x minus b into sin, in place of y it is x minus a. So write here x minus a, and it is divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Write this one sin a minus b as it is. Divide both the terms by this. Okay, so write sin x minus b into cos x minus a, and it is divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Then write this sign minus and write cos x minus b into sin x minus a, which is divided by this cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Here it is given cos x minus a, here also cos x minus 1 a. So this will cut. And here it is given cos x minus b, here it is also cos x minus b. So this will cut. So we get 1 by sin a minus b integral. It will be sin x minus b divided by cos x minus b. So it will be tan, sin by cos is tan. So tan x minus b minus. Here sin x minus a divided by cos x minus a. So it will be tan x minus a. Right, dx. Now we can integrate. What is formula for integral of tan x? Yes, integral of tan x is equal to log mod sec x. So write here. First write this one sin a minus b. This will be log mod sec. In place of x it is given x minus b. So write sec x minus b minus, here also tan x minus a. So it will be log mod sec x minus a, and write a constant c. Then write this 1 by sin a minus b. Here it is log sec x minus b minus log sec x minus a. So it will be log mod sec x minus b divided by sec x minus a. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Now I am going to write here 1 by sine a minus b log, here it is sec x minus b. So we know that sec x is equal to 1 by cos x. So in place of sec x minus b, we can write 1 by cos x minus b. So write here 1 divided by cos x minus b, which is also divided by, here also sec x minus a. So it will be 1 by cos x minus a. So write here 1 by cos x minus a, plus write constant c. So finally we can write 1 by sine a minus b log mod, here it is 1 by cos x minus b divided by 1 by cos x minus a, division of two fractions. So it will be cos x minus a divided by cos x minus b. फ्रैक्शन के डिवीजन में क्या होता है, सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के रेसिप्रोकल से क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो इट विल बी cos x minus a ऊपर जाएगा और cos x minus b नीचे आएगा. देन राइट हियर दिस आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट c. सो फाइनली वी गेट अवर आंसर 1 by sin a minus b log mod cos x minus a divided by cos x minus b plus c. So this is your answer. So next is choose the correct answer in exercise 23 and 24. So question number 23 is integral of sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx is equal to, here 4 options are given. So we have to find out which one is correct. So here you can see that our integral is given sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x. So first we divide each term by this denominator. Okay. So we can write our integral right here. First term is sin square x. So divide sin square x by sin square x into cos square x. Sin square x into cos square x. Then write second one is cos square x. So cos square x is also divided by sin square x into cos square x, and write this ds as it is. Then here sin square x, here also sin square x. So this will become 1. Here cos square x divided by cos square x. So it will be 1. So now we can write 1 by cos square x minus 1 by sin square x dx. And we know that 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So write here sec square x. And 1 by sin square x is cosec square x. So it will be cosec square x dx. Now this one is in standard form, so we can integrate. We know the formula of integral of sec square x. What is formula for that? Yes, integral of sec square x is tan x. So it will be tan x. Write this minus. And integral of cosec square x is, yes, minus cot x. So write here minus cot x. And write a constant c. So finally we can write tan x minus and minus become plus tan x plus cot x plus c. So this is your answer, and this one is given in option number A. So option A is correct. Option A is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 24. It is integral of e to the power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square e to the power x into x. Here 4 options are given. We have to find out which one is correct. So here you can see that it is given cos square e to the power x into x, and here e to the power x is also given, and we know that derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So we have to put e to the power x into x is equal to t. So let us put here e to the power x into x is equal to t. Now differentiate. Yes, differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get, when we differentiate, this one is multiplication of two functions. So when we differentiate, so this will be, suppose this one is first and this one is second, then differentiate, it will be derivative of first function e to the power x, then write second one as it is plus, then write first one as it is e to the power x, and differentiate this function x, so it will be 1. dx by dt will be 1. So finally we can write, take e to the power x common, so it will be e to the power x, x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Here it is also given e to the power x into 1 plus x dx. So in place of this we can write dt only. So I write dt, and here it is cos square, this one is t, so write here cos square t, and we know that 1 by cos x is equal to sec x. So here it is given 1 by cos square t, so it will be sec square t. So write here integral of sec square t dt. What is formula for that? Integral of sec square x, yes, it is tan x. Here it is given t, so it will be tan t. So write here tan t plus write a arbitrary constant c. Then put the value of t. T is equal to e to the power x into x. So it will be tan e to the power x dot x, and write this constant c as it is. So where is given this one? This one is option number B. So option B is tan x into e to the power x plus c. So option B is correct option. So your answer is this one, tan e to the power x into x plus c. Option B is your answer. Okay. Now this exercise has been completed. I hope you understood. And please subscribe my channel to watch more video, and don't forget to like and share this video. So see you in next video with exercise 7.4. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching.